Hi guys, how are ya? Just a little music to get us started. Are you awake? Ready to go? Okay, let's get started with our warm-up. I want to hear you repeat it loud and proud, or if you're in a place you can't be loud and proud, a strong whisper voice. Here we go. A apple A. B B. E ed E. I H I. N N. O octopus ah. U up Y yellow y. C K A N fan an. I N K pink ink. And now guys, let's check out those R controls. Oh, R controls, where are you? I found them. I think Baby Echo flew away with them. Check it out. AR, car R. OR, horn or. Nice job. And now for the trick word. Tricky time. Try to beat me. Was. One. Said. You, your. Are you beating me? How you doing? I. They. Would, could, should. Very nice job, my friends. And we are going to talk about some words now. Okay, this is the word list we read the other day. We're going to read it again, and I have some questions. There's some words I want you to find. So let's start by reading it together. Okay? If you need to tap in your head, you can do that, and then I'm going to say the word out loud. Try to stay with me or even beat me. Ship. Slip. Brag. Scent. Flip. Mask. Flag. Test. Ships. Slips. Brags. Tents. Off. Fill. Puff. Boss. Wall. Hall. Tall. All. Okay, my friends, get ready to answer some questions. Find a word that begins with a blend. Can you tell me a word that starts with a blend? Yeah, the SL blend, slip and slips, the BR, brag, flag. Great. How about a word that ends with a blend? I see that one. Scent, there's the NT blend. Mask, SK. Test, ST. And how about a word that's plural? What does plural mean? More than one. Yeah, ships, more than one ship. Good. Or it could be a verb, like she ships the Amazon package. What's the other word on here that's plural? Tents, more than one tent. Very nice job. Okay, it's time for you to get your letter board. Okay, we're going to do some echo find letter and words. Okay, have it opened. Pause if you need to get it. Repeat after me. W. Point to all the letters that say W. And you should be, what are the letters? Tell me them. W, W, H. You're not going to pull them down for this, just point. Use both hands if you need to. Repeat after me. Ch. Point to the letters that say ch. What are the letters? Say it out loud. C, H. Good. Repeat after me. Ing. Point to the letters that say ing. What are the letters? I-N-G. Repeat after me. K. What are the letters that say k? You should be pointing to all three. What are they? C, K, C, K. Nice. Okay, let's do one more. Repeat after me. Z. Point to the letters that say Z. Should be pointing to two. What are they? S, like in bugs, and Z. Great job. Okay, now we're going to build a few words. Are you ready? Okay, repeat after me. These words are going to have blends. I want you to listen closely for the blend. Sand. Elbows up, tap it with me. And pull down your letters and build it. I'll build it here, and you can check mine if you get stuck. Or if you want to wait until you're done, that's fine too. Okay, check yours to mine. How'd you do? Is there a word inside of it? What's the word? And. What's the blend? Is it at the beginning or the end of the word? It's after the vowel, yeah, ND. Okay, let's spell it away. So say the letter and put it back at the right spot in the alphabet. S, A, N, D. Great job. Once your tiles are away, get ready for another word. Trap. Let's tap it. T-R-A-P. And build it. R-A. Check yours with mine when you finish. Okay, is the blend before the vowel or after the vowel? Very nice. Let's spell it away. T R A P. Okay, here's our next word. Chomp. I'm gonna chomp on my gum. Nom, nom, nom. Say chomp. Let's tap it. Ch A M. Let's build it. A M. Take your time, and when you're finished, check it with mine. What do we have in this word? Let's pretend to mark it with our finger. Digraph and a consonant blend. Nice job. Let's chomp it away. Just kidding, we'll spell it away. C-H-O-M-P. Okay, guys, what do you think? Are you ready to do some dictation? I think so. So you can put away your board, make sure all your letters look nice and neat, and they're in the right order. And we want to get out some paper. So you should have some paper from your teacher that has a bunch of numbers on it for this. But if you don't, you can always use plain paper or your whiteboard. All right, we're going to start with sounds. I'll do mine on the whiteboard with you. But again, pause here to get your paper and pencil or get whatever you need. Okay, number one, repeat after me. Eh. Write the letter that says eh. And this is a time that you should definitely be using your notebook if you're stuck. Pause, right? You can take all the time you need. Number two, unk. Write the letters that say unk. And number three, w. Write all the ways to do w. There's two ways, get them both. Okay, pause if you need more time. Here's my answers. E says eh. UNK says unk, and W and the digraph WH both say W. If you need to fix those at all, now's the time. Okay, next we will do 2 words. Okay, the first word is chills. I've got the chills. Remember, you have to ask, what's the base word? Chill. So let's tap out chill. Ch, I, O. Write chill and then add the suffix s, chills. Pause here to do chills. Okay, how did you do? Let's mark it. Let's underline the base word, circle the suffix, and you should have a bonus letter. Put a star over it. Did you remember the bonus letter? Since it ends in an L, right after the vowel, in a short vowel, we have to double it. These are our bonus letters, F, L, and S. That's why on your board you have 2 of these letters. Okay, let's try this word. Quit. Tap it with me. Qu, it. And write it. Pause if you need more time. Okay, here's what I want you to mark. The body letter. Okay, are you ready to check with me? Quit. All right, and you can, let's read the words. Chills, quit. And let's erase them and do 2 newer words that have blends. The first one is stuck. Tap it with me. St, a, k. Think about which k that should be. Get the blend. St, a, k. Pause if you need more time. Okay, mark the blend and the digraph, and then check it with mine. I hope you're not stuck. And here's our next word. Frog. Let's tap it. G. Write it. Mark the blend. Pause until you're ready. Frog. Fix any mistakes you made. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Fixing them is what matters. Okay, guys, I think you're ready now for 2 trick words. If you don't know how to do these, don't make a mistake. Look in your student notebook in the way back. The first one is would. Think about which parts are tricky and which ones aren't. And number 2 is could. Would, then could. If you know how to spell one, it'll help you spell the other. Check yours with mine. Would, could. If these were hard for you, I would pause this video and practice them a few more times. And the last thing we're going to do today is a sentence. Ready? Here it is. This clock is the best gift. One more time. This clock is the best gift. This clock is the best gift. Make sure you start with an uppercase and with punctuation. This is a trick word. You can tap out gift. Is the is a trick word. Best you can tap out, and gift you can tap out. Okay, go ahead and pause and work on your sentence. Okay, here's the sentence. Point to each word and check. This clock is the best gift. Make sure you did your trick words right, this and the. And tap out the blends. There's a blend in clock, best, and gift. Okay, check them out. How did you do? Did you remember to CK at the end? Pause here and fix anything, and I'll see you next time.